Before you file, run 3 tax moves on your 1040 and see the exact dollar savings. Powered by AskFin, your personal CFO. Reconciling your AGI, tax bracket, and capital gains to calculate what generic advice can't. Every income profile has inefficiencies, not mistakes, inefficiencies. The real question isn't whether you're leaving money on the table, it's whether you've measured it. We ran a real-world income profile through a structured audit. On paper, everything looked clean. It wasn't fully optimized. $2,592 in contribution misalignment. $2,000 in harvestable offset. No added risk, no income change. Just math applied correctly. Generic advice describes possibilities. Optimization computes outcomes. If a system doesn't know your AGI, your bracket, your gains, and your withholding, it can't measure leakage. This isn't a guess. Every recommendation ties back to structured financial data. That's the difference between conversation and computation. Stop guessing. Click the link below, connect your data securely, and see your own numbers.